Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Hublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kaseng Congress kadei kakot iathuh khanapateng ni history ber ki pat ba kim kwa shu ban pet yan ki kwa ya ka lawei ber kamenta ber kim kwa ban vote ya history. Tangga National People Party kadei ka lawei jeng ki samla ber ki pat ba iathuh menteri ka puli puthi ka jilla u rakam sangma. Ubalong ru unong yalam Kaseng National People's Party NPP. Utai Menteri iathuh ba Kaseng Congress kadai kum kakot iathuh khana ke history. Ipat ba ki kwa ikalawei ber kamenta bar kim kwa ban vote ya ke history. Haba kentha ya ka kubor jong unong yalam ka Congress uba Vincent Pala ka snibaar. Ula ong ba ka sarkar pedeng hapo ka jingyalam Kaseng Congress kabla sunshar ya ka ri India kabla the bon bha ki kampen roy ha ka jilla de ka Congress kabla wanra ya ka Nehu IIM Shillong NIFT Shillong bat kiwe ki project kampen roy hapo ka jilla. Kalong ka basisha Henry kaladei ka khana bansa apateng ber ki pat ba kim kwa shu ber kim la vote shu ya Kaseng Congress na mar kala long jakabu kot iathuh urakam isangma. Dei ka ba ka Congress kalale kadei ka bladep mensha menta kladan tangha ha ka history but onbo ya ka tei tang hakikon. Tungin ya bo ya kita itang hakikot ki pat ba kim ju vote ya ka history ki kwa ya kalawei but ya ka menta ong urakam. Ula ong baki pat ba khamtam ki samla ki de banjit ya Kaseng ka ba kumno kanjit Kaseng ayu ka bala ban trebha ba Kaseng ka ba kumno ka bala ban thau ya ki lat ai kam ai jam.
Does not prove your efficiency, but your talents prevail. In my constituency in the last 5 years, I don't want to name the village. To a village, I constructed a very, very good road in the last 5 years. But in the election, this village, the people of that village did not vote for me. So I think in politics, people don't discuss about all this, what he did, where he did. But now the voters of today decide with the needs of the hour what is happening today. Yeah, so look, during Congress time, during 50, 75 years back, right? 70 years back, during Congress time, the country get independent country, right? Where is Congress now? Meghalaya got statehood during AP SLCC time. Where is AP SLCC now today? So this is I mean, like, it is not about the party, it's not about it is about the individual today. Whom to represent? It's a question about individual, what not in history or in the books. Right? So maybe all this what has been spoken of the one of the leader today, that is history. That is history. So history is to read, not to implement. So that is on the book. What I have done. So I'm the grand nephew of Black Captains. If I campaign today, I'm the grand nephew of Black Captains. Will you please vote me? Will they vote for me? They don't remember. They don't see, right? So what the Congress has done in the past, there is in the history. Let's keep in the books. Let's read in the books, and people don't vote in the history. They want the future. They want the present. So now the people of Shillong should, and of the entire country, decide who going to what, who can deliver the best for the state. It is that's the what you call topics being discussed by the youth of the state. Because look, young, about every year about 20,000 to 25,000 graduate, but for the private universities, state university, they graduate, right? So we are just generate only 2,000, maximum 2,000 government sector. 17,000 always become unemployed graduate. Where do we go? These graduate unemployed students, the educated unemployed students, should understand which party, which individual can create jobs. They need hope. They need the future, not the history. Congress was in the history, and NPP will be in the future for the young people of our state. I think people of the state are well enough to think which party, who will give them the future secure.